Hi everyone, it's Sorkan. Today we have a problem when we are given an array of integer nums and we need to return the number of hills or valleys in nums. So for example, what is a hill or valley? So for example, in this case, 4 is a hill because it's a peak element, so it's more than its neighbors. It's more than 2 and 1, so it's a peak element and it's a hill. And for example, this scenario 2 1 1 is a valley because it's less than its neighbors. It's less than 2 and 6, and in this case 6 is a peak also because it's more than its neighbors. So, and we are returning 3 as a result. If the numbers are continuous, for example, like in this case, right, if they are equal, if the continuous numbers are equal, for example 1 1, it's considered as a part of the one valley or one peak. So that's why in this case we have two hills, 4 and 6, and the one valley 1 1. So how we're going to solve this problem? Let's take a look at let's put this problem again here, 1 1 6 and 5. So the way we are going to do that, we are going to maintain two variables. One variable is that our left value, so we are starting, so our 2 and 5, they can be neither valley or hill because they don't have leftmost and the rightmost element. So that's why we are regarding from the first index. So we are starting from the first index and we are starting with the I and starting to iterate. And we are comparing the values. So for example, in this case, we are comparing for the nums I, we are comparing, is it more than or less than its neighbors? So it's more than its neighbors. It's more than 2 left value, and it's more than 1, so it's a hill. So it's a hill. So in our result, we are adding as 1, right? It's a hill. So, and now we are moving our I here. We are moving our I here, and also we are moving our left value, right? We are moving our left value to 4. Now we are comparing for the 4. So for the 4, so we are comparing for this 1 now. So 1 is less than 4, so it's a valley. It could be a valley, but it's also equals to this I. So what we do here, it's neither hill or valley, so we are just moving our I pointer here. So we are moving our I pointer, now our I pointer here, but our left value is still at 4, so we haven't moved that because this is neither hill or valley. So we are moving our I here, and now we are comparing for this I, right? For this I, it's less than its left value, and it's less than its next element to it, so it means that it's a hill. So no, it's a valley. So since it's a valley, we are adding 1 here, and we are moving our left value here, and we are moving our I here. So we are moving our I here, and now again we are comparing for the 6 is more than 1 and more than left, which is 1, and it's more than 5. So since it's more than 1 and 5, left and right, so it's a hill. So we are adding that to our result, and our result is equals to 3. And in case of the 5, it's neither hill or valley because it doesn't have the rightmost element. So we are returning 3 as a result. First thing that we do here, we are initializing our result that we are going to return. Also, we are setting the left value to nums 0, the first element of our index. And now we are starting to iterate. So in each iteration, what we do, we are comparing that if it's a valley, so in this case we are comparing if it's more than left value, and if it is more than its right value, I plus 1. In this case it's a hill, so we are incrementing our result. And the same way, if our left value is more than our nums I, and our right value is more than our nums I, our current element, then what we do, we are incrementing our results. So because we have to return the result, right, either hill or valley. So in this case it's a hill, and in this case it's a valley, so we are incrementing our result. And as we are incrementing, we are moving our left value to our nums I, as we have seen in the previous example, and at the end we are returning a result. So the time complexity for this case is of n, because we are going over our array only once, and the space complexity is 1 because we don't use any extra space here. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.